Checklist of ISO IEC 27001A.12.6.2 Restrictions on software installation. Restricting software installation is an essential aspect of IT security, as it helps to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. To achieve this, organizations must have effective policies, procedures, and practices in place that limit software installation to authorized personnel with appropriate system privileges. This video provides a sample checklist for organizations to review their policies and procedures associated with restrictions on software installation. Sample checklist. Review policies, procedures, and practices. The first step in restricting software installation is to review the organization's policies, procedures, and practices associated with software installation. This review should focus on identifying any gaps or weaknesses in the current processes and identifying areas where improvements can be made. Authorized personnel. Check that only authorized personnel with appropriate system privileges are able to install software on systems. This step ensures that unauthorized personnel are unable to install software and access critical systems and data. Categories of system privileges. Check how many categories of system privileges exist and what privileges each category has. This step ensures that the organization has appropriate levels of access control in place. Types of software installation. Check what types of software each of these categories can install, on which systems. This step ensures that appropriate levels of access control are in place for different types of software installation. Controls for patching, backup restores, and online downloads. Check that controls apply to patching, backup restores, and online downloads, as well as conventional system installations. This step ensures that all forms of software installation are appropriately controlled and monitored. Monitoring and auditing. Check that there are appropriate monitoring and auditing procedures in place to detect and prevent unauthorized software installations. This step ensures that any unauthorized software installations are detected and addressed promptly. Regular reviews. Ensure that policies, procedures, and practices associated with software installation are reviewed regularly to ensure that they remain effective and relevant. This step ensures that the organization is able to adapt to changing threats and risks associated with software installation. Restricting software installation is a critical aspect of maintaining the security of an organization's IT infrastructure. By following the sample checklist provided above, organizations can review their policies and procedures associated with restrictions on software installation and identify areas where improvements can be made. By doing so, organizations can effectively limit software installation to authorized personnel with appropriate system privileges and prevent unauthorized access and data breaches.